Hello guys, it's me Sanjay here. I'm warmly welcome you all for this artificial intelligence masterclass series. So this is gonna be a 30 days challenge, which is nothing but, for an example, if you are going to do something for more than 30 days or more than 40 days, it is gonna be turned into a habit. So that's why we are starting this artificial intelligence series, which is gonna be a 30 days challenge. So each and every day, you're going to be building some projects under a very important category of AI. So very important category in the sense like chatbot creation, Python programming, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, natural language processing, AI using cloud, and AI using hardware. So under these 8 core category, this 30 days has been framed. And once you have completed this 30 days, you are going to be having nearly around 25 plus projects in your hand. So I hope you guys are super excited for this series 30 days challenge on AI. So if you all super excited, you just post I'm super excited Sanjay in your live chat. So first of all, before going on to the session, I would like to welcome the people present here. Tenko Daniel, hi, good evening. And Darbanga, hi, good evening. And Sanket Lode, hi. And Nidhi, hi. Rohit, hi. And Muzamil, hi. And Mangesh, hi. Shivam, hi. And Adhikari, hi. And Kamesh, hi. Pankla Priyanka, hi. And Aldren, hi. And Asin, hi. Kamesh. And Rushikesh, hi. Satish. And Manjunathan, Gopal, hi. The language which is going to be Python. Yeah, Python, guys. And Ujjwal, hi. Sumit Kumar, hi. Shivam, hi. Mary, hi. Good evening. Good to meet you again. And BGMI Shots, hi. Good evening. Good to meet you. And Manju, good evening. And Tanko, good evening. And Priya, good evening. And Nitish, hi. Good evening. And Shivam, hi. Gokul Prasad. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are doing an amazing interaction. Thank you so much for keep on doing that, because I really found out that nearly around 60% of the people are new to the series. So first of all, before going on to the series or before beginning the series, I'll tell you something. Guys, don't judge this 30 days live is gonna be like boring session which you might have attended in your lockdown times, because this session, if you are just looking at our session, we are not only gonna be learning only a technical, we are also gonna have mindset session, we are gonna have lot of interactions, we are gonna be talking about something, some technologies. So we are gonna interact at tons and tons, and I really wanted to make the session to be very fun and very interactive. It need not to be like one-sided. Okay, so I hope you all really excited for that. If you all excited for that, you just all post fire emojis in the live chat. And thank you so much. A lot of people are posting like excited, super excited, bro. Hi. Thank you, Naveen Gupta, Zuko Football, Shubham, Sumit Kumar, Programmatic Gamer, and Panchraj. Amazing, guys. That's amazing. Okay, so please keep on posting fire emojis in the live chat to should just show you our energy, how you energy you are in. Okay, yes. So that's all up to this intro. First of all, before going on to the session, there is an announcement. First of all, attendance link. Each and every day there will be attendance link. Attendance link will be given at the live session. Okay, in between the live session. So you should attend the whole session. Okay, whole the time duration. So attendance link will be shared at the time of live. So you can fill up the attendance form once the session is completed, and you really need 25 days of minimum 25 days of attendance, which is going to be required for availing free e-certificate. Yes, you all going to get a certificate for attending an event on this 30 days, but 25 days attendance is really mandatory. And I really trust you that you are really not only coming for the certificates, you are coming for learning. And today's session is not going to be around 1 hour, because the upcoming sessions or upcoming days, which is going to be around 1 hour session, but the first day of the session, which is going to be around a 90-minute or 2 hour with inclusive of interactions and those stuff. Okay, so only because when the first day, it is going to be like ABCD of artificial intelligence. I'm going to be giving you the complete clarity about AI, data science, data analytics, and etc. Okay, so today there is going to be a tons and tons of value today. So that's why today's session is going to be around more than 1 hour. Okay, I really trust that you're gonna stay till the end, and you just want to stay till the end so that you can able to receive today's material. Okay, today's materials in the sense, today I'm gonna be showing you some mind maps, some PDFs. So everything you're going to get only if you are staying till the end. Okay, so that's all up to now. So before going further, I really want to talk about something which is about problems in each and every people's life. For an example, you might be what is it? You might be a school student, you might be a college student, you might be a professor, you might be a researcher, or you might already working in some other company. But each and every people have one common thing, which is learning. Because if you are not upgrading yourself, if you are not knowing what is in the current trend, so definitely we are going to be outdated, we are going to be kept in some individual go down. So that's why we need to upgrade ourselves by learning new technology whenever there is some new innovations on some other parts. So on the time, as a normal common people, we used to face some problem. And whenever I'm just going to be reading that, you guys tell me if you all agreeing to this point, you just post agree Sanjay in your live chat. The first point, which is more content. For an example, if I'm going to take this class for around 12 hours, you won't learn. If I'm going to teaching you like lot of content, like blah 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 blah, so definitely you won't learn. So if there is more content, if it is not precise, if that is more content, definitely you won't learn, right? So if you are agreeing to this, please keep on posting agree. And second thing, hard to learn. For an example, if I'm using lot of technical words, or my English is not not friendly enough, so definitely you won't learn, you will be feeling difficulty on that. And third one, which is having less application. While talking about less application, if you are completing some course, or if you are completing a certain video lectures, if you can't able to build your project by yourself, that session is completely theoretical. Definitely you'll be feeling, oh god, he is just talking like theory content. I'll hate to the core, right? So I hope you all agreeing. If you all agreeing to this each and every point, you just post agree Sanjay in your live chat. And the fourth point, if the session was not interactive, if you can't able to talk with your instructor, or if the instructor is not listening to you, and if the instructor is talking by himself, without having sync between the people, right? So definitely that is also going to be boring and not precise. If the content is not precise, also you'll be feeling boring. So how many of you people are really agreeing to that? If you are really agreeing to that, you just post agree Sanjay in your live chat. And please don't do the spamming, guys. Please, Shibu physics lover, it is not a Hindi session, it is going to be an English session. Okay, so don't do the spamming, guys. Okay, please keep on interactive with me, and be positive, and be like energetic to learn something new. Okay, so and finally, people used to tell another problem, which is problem is lack of information. Guys, I'm telling you, actually problem is not a lack of information. Problem is actually information overload. So why I'm telling that is because if you're going for the Google, and if you're typing artificial intelligence, okay, if you're just simply typing artificial intelligence, you can able to see how much results are there in the category of AI. That is where the problem. So problem is not a lack of information. Problem is information overload. So guys, how many of you people are really feeling, yes, Sanjay, yes, I'm just looking for some AI course or some other thing, but I used to get tons and tons of results in YouTube or in Google. So finally I got confused. Where should I learn? Right? So if you are telling, or if your mind, internal mind is thinking, yes, Sanjay, you just post yes, Sanjay in your live chat. Exactly, right? Yes, whenever we used to look for some concept, if I want to learn something, some project or something, if you are searching in some website or like in Google or whatever, but definitely you'll be seeing tons and tons of results. There will be giving up. Okay, I'm giving up. So because I used to get tons and tons of results, when can I check it out? When can I find the solution, right? That's what the major problem. And also we have what actually people need. So what actually people need is a clear-cut, precise, and focused implementation with clear mentorship. This is what actually people need. The content should be precise, point number one. Point number two, it need to be completely focused to develop some project. For an example, if you are learning some machine learning algorithm, if you are not building some project by learning algorithm, it is really waste, right? So that is what actually people need. The content should be very precise, and it should be focused, and it need to be implemented as a project with the one clear mentorship. That is what actually people need. So you people are here in this 30-day series. You are going to be under the learning methodology called application based learning, which contains 3 segments. Number 1 segment is I'm going to be teaching you the concept. Okay, first of all, I'm going to be telling you what problem you're going to solve, or what kind of solution you're going to provide. What are all the algorithm and how the algorithm is really working. That is what the first part which it has. And the second part which it has is the programming syntax. I'm going to be teaching you the programming syntax which is required to complete that project, so that you will be getting interest to learn the programming stuff. So now Let me ask you one question. Okay, let me ask you one question. So, how many of you people are agreeing to this? In our school days or in our college days, whenever we used to learn, we all have our favorite teacher, favorite mentor. Because that favorite mentor, it's not about the subject, it's about the faculty having like smiley face, not like terror face, like he or she used to talk very friendly, and he or she used to do lot of smile, so that we love the subject. How many of you people are really telling it's absolutely it's right? So if it is right, you just post right Sanjay in your live chat. Yes. So whenever we have that kind of people, that kind of mentor, that kind of faculty, so we love that subject, right? At the same time, on the other hand, we also have another problem, which is whenever someone is telling you need to master programming language first. So on the time we will be going to our flashback, like our school days or college days, we'll be thinking programming. Okay, what is programming? That class is inheritance, polymorphism, where there are nearly around 100 lines of program, 400 lines of program. Definitely, I'm not going to take programming. So that is what people getting demotivated whenever people used to think about the programming. I'm not talking about the person who already born programmer, like he used to do the programming very well. I'm not talking about the person. I'm talking about the majority of the people who really what is it, who loves programming but not can't able to go further, or who hate programming, like that kind of people I'm just talking about. That is why we guys have created the system, so that you're gonna be learning the concept, and I'm gonna be teaching you the programming syntax which is required to complete the project, and finally you are going to build the project. How many of you people really love this journey, or how many of you people really excited to be in this 30 days journey to build 25 plus projects under the category of AI? Okay, if you really love and excited, you just post love with fire emojis, or you just post I love this Sanjay with fire emojis in the live chat, guys. Thank you so much, guys. It's really great, because I am getting a lot of reply that a lot of people are posting like me. I'm excited. That's amazing. Yes, Sanjay. Yes, thank you so much. Like Kaustav Nag posted some emoji. That's amazing. Harsh posted some emoji. Pavitran posted some emoji. And Rohit, that's amazing, guys. Please keep on doing this interaction. That's gonna be like super amazing to master some skills. Okay, so this is what the journey you're gonna be. You're gonna be learning a concept first, and you're gonna be learning programming syntax, and finally you are going to build a project. On this 3 days you're gonna be building more than 25 plus projects. Now there is a question, from whom I'm learning. That's gonna be a very important thing. So guys, you are not learning from some coaching based company. You are learning from a company called, which is a product based company, which is more than, it is crossing its 18 years, and which also manufactured more than 300 plus products, and it also explored lot of technology in the sense brain computer interface, electronics, like embedded system, internet of things, or artificial intelligence, or data science, or like augmented reality, kind of lot wide varieties of technology this Pantech solutions have explored. Now we guys have started another sub company called Warriorsway, like a child company called Warriorsway, which is about to transfer our complete product based knowledge of 18 years in the format of coaching business or coaching programs, where we'll be providing skill set coaching, mindset coaching, as well as money making coaching. So that is what is all about the Warriorsway. And in this 30 days, what you are going to learn, first of all, you're gonna be learning this AI. So because you may have a lot of thoughts running in your mind, like what is AI, what is data science, and those stuff. So that's why today's session is gonna be around to give the complete clarity about AI, and you are going to create a chatbot. So how many of you people are really amazed to create a chatbot without even a programming? If you are really amazed to create that, you just post I'm amazed Sanjay in your live chat. So first of all, today's session is gonna be that. And tomorrow we are going to be start working with how to install a Python, how to start writing a program. So now let me clear out something. Because here, the people who are all out there, you may have something running in your mind. Oh God, I really don't know anything about AI. I really don't know anything about programming. I'm completely from non-computer science background. I don't know anything about machine learning or deep learning or AI. But how can I complete this 30-day series? Yes. So if how many of you people are mind, how many of people's mind thoughts are like this one? So if that is yes, you just post yes Sanjay in your live chat. So for the people, I'm telling you one thing. Even though you are a beginner, even though you don't know anything about programming, even though you don't know anything about AI, you can start this journey, because this 30 days is going to be completely from the scratch. You're going to be getting amazing tons and tons of values from the scratch. Okay, don't worry about it. Okay, you can completely start it from the scratch. So that is going to be completely user friendly, completely from the scratch, guys. Okay, and then this 30 days is going to be categorized for computer vision, where you're going to be building a projects like moving object detection, face detection, object tracking, face recognition, face emotion recognition, and etc. And machine learning category, will be having a projects like fake news detection, AI snake game, and evaluating and deploying machine learning models. And under the deep learning, we have tons of projects like object recognition, image classification, hand gesture recognition, leaf disease detection, character. You just see how many of people, how many of projects which you are going to build up on this upcoming 3 days. And natural language processing, we have some projects. And final 2 days, one is AI using clouds, like I'm going to be giving a lot of tons and tons of idea on AI using clouds. And final day, which is going to be on AI and hardware, where I'm going to be giving you a lot of ideas on how to use AI for the hardware. Okay, so how many of you people really loving this? So this is what the journey you are gonna be. What these are the list of projects which are going to develop on this Saturdays. So if you all like super excited, you just post "I'm happy Sanjay" in your live chat. Okay, are you all happy to being here? If you all happy to being here, you just post "I'm happy Sanjay" in your live chat. And Harsh, thank you so much for posting amazing Sanjay. Yes. So while talking about me, yes, myself Sanjay, I'm a product manager and data scientist at Pantech Solutions. And while talking about my technological expertise, first of all, I started my career by working with brain-computer interface technology. So you guys tell me how many of you people really know about Elon Musk and Neuralink company, which is like BZI, which is nothing but connecting your brain with the computer so that you can analyze your brain waves, you can enhance the memory powers. Likewise, a lot of research is going on like brain disorders to solve that kind of brain disorders. So that kind of technology, which is known as brain computer interface technology, which is connecting brain with the computer so that you can do a lot more analysis on your brain. So that's what my first technology which I started. In my picture itself, I've heard some device, right? So that is what which is nothing but I've connected my brain with the computer, that is what the device. And then so currently I'm from electronics and communication engineering, so I started loving I already love the electronics, so that's why I just worked on embedded system to work on some other microcontrollers and Internet of Things, and also data science. So now I'm just currently using or working as a data scientist to analyze or to providing solution to our company, and AI, of course, to work on like autonomous robots or AI application. And parallelly, I just also worked on some blockchain and robotic operating system, which is ROS and autonomous robot design. This is all my technological expertise. So now let us begin our AI learning journey. So how many of you people are ready? So if you are ready, please post ready with fire emojis, or you just post some fire emojis in the live chat. Okay. So we are going to begin our first part of the session. Thank you so much, Abhyodhan, for posting. I'm happy to be here. Thank you so much for coming back to the series. Thank you so much, Abhyodhan. And Masti time. Happy Sanjay, sir. Thank you. Please call me Sanjay, guys. Yes, ready. That's amazing, guys. Okay, so that's amazing. Okay, so let us begin. So first of all, let me start this session by asking you one question. How many of you people are here having some thoughts or some doubts running in your mind? Ajay, my colleagues or my friends, my neighbors, or in YouTube videos, people used to talk about data science, data analytics, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, computer vision, business analytics. But I really don't know, Sanjay, what is the difference between data science and data analytics? What is the difference between machine learning or deep learning? What the hell that data scientists are doing to get higher salary? What the hell this business analysts are doing to get that salary? What the AI engineer are doing? How the AI robot has been created? What all the subdomains are there? What is the roadmap to become a data scientist? If I want to start studying for the data scientist, what are all the skills I need to master? What are the tools I need to master? What is the programming language I need to master? So if these questions keep on running in your mind, you just post, yes, I agree, Sanjay, in your live chat. Right? So these are the major confusion that people have. Sanjay, I really don't know what is the difference between those stuff. what people are doing as a data scientist or data analyst. That is what the major people's question, right? Yes, agree, Sanjay. Yes, that's amazing. Thank you so much, guys. A lot of people are mentioning my name. That's amazing. I feel really happy. Thank you so much for doing this. Keep on doing that. Yes, I'm enjoying your lecture. Thank you so much, Alphonse. Yes. So now let us begin just by seeing the hierarchy, how it has been interlinked. Okay, you just see here. Just observe this picture, guys. Okay. So while talking about this picture, you just see this picture where we have. So first of all, instead of covering what is AI, what is machine learning, what is deep learning, let us see how it has been interlinked. Okay. So first of all, here I have a major circle, which is a bigger circle, which is AI circle, right? So AI circle is there, and inside that AI we have machine learning. So which is nothing but machine learning is the subset of the AI, and deep learning is here. Deep learning is the subset of the machine learning. Okay. First of all, AI circle, and inside that AI we have machine learning. Inside that machine learning we have a deep learning. Okay, that is what the one major circle we have. And we have another major circle, which is data science circle. And inside the data science, we have data analytics. Inside the data analytics, we have data mining. On the other hand, we also have a big data. If you are just seeing the circle, everything is going to be interlinked. Because AI is going to take some part from data science is going to take some part from big data or AI. So everything is going to be interlinked. Okay, you can't tell like data science without artificial intelligence. Definitely it is gonna have, because we need to predict some customer reports, or we need to predict some sales forecasting with the help of the data. Then where definitely we need machine learning or deep learning. So everything has been interlinked. So now let me ask you one thing. Are you clear about this hierarchy? Okay, don't confuse yourself. What is AI? What is ML? What is data mining? And those type, don't confuse. Just see the hierarchy and tell, are you satisfied? Okay. So if you are satisfied with the first question, you just post satisfied Sanjay in your live chat. Just see the hierarchy, how everything has been interlinked, how the like architecture looks like. AI inside the AI ML inside we have deep learning. On the other hand, inside the data science, we have data analytics. So data analytics, which is nothing but the subset of the data science, and data mining is the subset of data analytics. And big data is also another major circle which is out there. If you are satisfied, you just post satisfied. And Faisal, thank you so much. Satisfied, bro. Thank you so much for posting that. Okay, so clear? Yes, that's amazing, guys. Keep on posting that. Nearly, I really need 681 replies. Nearly, there are around 681 people out there. So, geez, please keep on giving your responses in the live chat, guys. So now, let me clear you out something. Okay. So how many of you people really love stories? Okay, if you really love stories, you just post I love Sanjay in your live chat, because I'm gonna be explaining you the difference between data science and data analytics by telling you a story. Because and data science and data analytics and business analytics. Okay, that is what the story which I'm gonna be telling you to explain that. Okay, just an amazing story. I hope you're gonna love that. Okay, I love stories. Okay. So are you all with me, guys? If you all with me, just post with me, Sanjay, in your live chat. You just post WAM Sanjay. Okay, with me. Okay. Yes. Okay. So first of all, just imagine you are living some in city, right? So for an example, I'm in Chennai. So you might be living in some other areas or some other state or whatever. Okay, you are living in some city or district or whatever. You just imagine there is one restaurant. Okay, so there is one restaurant which has been started around 2015. Okay, so from the 2015 to the 2022, the restaurant ran really well. Okay, so there are a lot of customers, so that the restaurant got more number of sales. Okay, just imagine this. Please come with my story. Okay, so there is one restaurant. The restaurant has been started around 2015, and from the 2015 to 2022, the restaurant ran really well. So 7 years, restaurant ran very well. And another very important thing, the restaurant owner have maintained their data properly. Data is like the transactional data, like each and every billings and the customer rating and food rating, dishes rating, or ambience rating. So likewise, the restaurant owner have maintained their data properly. Okay, so I hope you all with me, guys. So that is what the scenario. For an example, in this 2023, suddenly the restaurant is not running well. Now what the restaurant owner will do? He or she used to require either data analyst or data scientist or business analyst. So let us consider about data analyst or business analyst. What they'll do is, as a data analyst or as a business analyst, what they'll do is, another very important thing, while talking about the business, you should not make an emotional decision. You should always make a data driven decision. For an example, okay, so because of that only we got very less sales. Okay, we can solve that. You should not make that kind of decision. You should make each and every decision based on the data. That is what the key role for the business. So that's why they'll be recruiting either data analyst or business analyst, and they'll be giving the whole complete 7 years of past 7 years of data to them, to that people, 7 plus this current year as well. So what the data analyst and the business analyst will do is, the first job of that data analyst or business analyst is data acquisition. Okay, please post #1 data acquisition. That is what the first role of this data analyst or data scientist or business analyst. What is that part? What is the role actually is? Because if you are considering about the restaurant billing data, they might have kept their data in Google Drive. They might have kept their data in pen drive. They might have kept their data in hard disk. They might have kept their data in AWS, some kind of databases, or SQL, or some other databases. They guys have used to kept their data in some places. And also that data might be in the TXT format. The data might be in the CSV format. The data might be Excel format. The data is gonna be like super clumsy. Okay, super clumsy. Okay, it might be a rating data, it might be a billing data, it might be whatever else, but the data is gonna be like in some other places in different formats. So that is what the first role of data analyst or data scientist, which is gonna be data acquisition. You need to grab all the data. Okay, so like grabbing each and every data from the people. So each and every data from the sources. So that is what the role of data analyst or data scientist or data business analyst even. So you will collect all the data and you will clean the data, or you will transform the data and you will clean the data, and you will do the data visualization. You will do the graphs, you will do the charts, you will be creating a dashboards. From the dashboards, that restaurant owner can able to make a decisions in the sense. From 2015 to 2019, the dishes rating were above 4%, 4 stars. But after 2019, the dishes rating were gone less than 4 stars. Why? What changes you have made? So business analyst will go very in depth on the business, not only sticking with the data. He or she will go very in depth on the business. So that is what it's all about. Okay, so that is what it's all about. So while talking about the business analyst or data analyst, they'll analyze the whole complete data and they'll make a decision based on doing a data visualization. That is what the role of data analyst or business analyst. But business analyst will go very in depth. For an example, while doing a age analysis from the 2015 to 2019 or 2020, there are a lot of youngsters came. But after this 2020, youngsters visitors were very less. So what you can do is you can invest some money for doing a marketing for youngsters, or you can do some like you can do renovation of your restaurant to attract youngsters. Introduce some new dishes in a lowest price. So likewise, business analyst will go or should have some depth understanding about the business. Guys, how many of you people are really feeling wow? If you are really feeling wow, that to understand what is the role of data analyst and data analyst and business analyst, you just give your responses in the live chat. Till now, I haven't talked about data scientist, guys. So this is the this is the role of all the people. Okay, data analyst or data scientist or business analyst. You will acquire all past data You will do the data transformation. You will do the data cleaning. You will do the data visualization. That is what the role of data analyst or business analyst. Just by analyzing the past data, doing a data visualization to make some decision. So that is what the role of you. Now you will ask a question, Sanjay, then what is the role of data scientist? Okay, please keep on like that. So whole complete past data is there. Data visualization is also been done. What the data scientist will do is, by using that past existing data, the data scientist will create a model, machine learning or model or deep learning model, whatever. They'll create a deep learning model or machine learning model, and they'll be creating that model to predict the future. Will the customer buy the product? Will the sales is going to grow high or grow increase, or is it going to decrease? Which factor is affecting the sales? What is the anomaly? Anomaly is like, for an example, if you are just seeing Amazon's or Flipkart sales graph, the sales graph is going to be like this, and in the November it is going to be on the peak, and in the December it is going to be on the peak, because that is like Diwali sale and Christmas sale, or like Ramzan sale, right? So on the time the sales graph is like this. Why? Because that is usually it is happening, but that is not an actually an anomaly. But for an example, in the January 28th, if the graph gone like this, that is anomaly, abnormality deduction. So likewise, if the person is predicting the future, if the person is predicting some abnormality in the data, that is what the role of data scientist, where that data scientist need the additional skills such as machine learning or deep learning to deploy or to create that amazing future prediction algorithm or classification based algorithms. Okay, so guys, are you all satisfied about the difference between data science or data analyst or business analyst? If you all super satisfied, if you all super happy, you just post super happy with some fire emojis or some love emojis, whatever you really want, you just give it in your live chat. So that is what the role of data scientist and business analyst or data analyst. Okay, so data analyst, data scientist, and business analyst. I hope you all super satisfied, and I trust you that you won't forget this. Even I'm just waking up you on midnight, you won't forget that, right? So if your answer is yes, you just post yes, I won't forget. Okay, so just give you the quick overview. Data analyst or business analyst will analyze the past data, and they'll be doing a data visualization to represent, to analyze customer, to analyze the product, to analyze the sales, to analyze the profit, to analyze the loss. So everything is going to be analyzed by analyzing the whole complete past data. But while talking about the data scientist, he will go very in depth on creating a machine learning model or deep learning model to predict the future or to classify, so to do the anomaly detection. So that is what the role of data scientist. So I hope you all super clear. Okay, so examples are very good to understand even for 5-year child. Thank you so much, ThinkSpot, for posting this. Yes, that's amazing, guys. Okay, so now let us talk about the AI little bit. Now you guys tell me, I think I really know that you guys have watched a lot of movies, right? So out of that movies, what are all the AI based movies you guys have watched so far? You guys tell your answers in the live chat. So what are all the artificial intelligence based movies you guys have watched so far? You just give your responses in the live chat, guys. Great examples. Amazing. Giri, Samiran, thank you. That's amazing. Yes, a lot of people are posting their responses. Endiran, Iron Man, Ravan, Terminator, 2.0, Robo, Player One. Yes, Ready Player One, The End Game, and iRobot. That's amazing. Ex Machina. Yes. Avatar, and Spider Man. Yes. And Marvel movies. Yes, exactly. And okay, so yes, that's amazing, guys. That's amazing. Ultron, yes. Ghost Rider. Is there any AI in the Ghost Rider? Really? Okay, so Matrix, Batman, Ant-Man, yes. Black Panther. That's amazing, guys. Yes. So whenever you used to talk about AI movies especially, there will be one scientist. He or she will create one robot, which is going to be the enhanced version of the human being, which is going to talk, which is going to do some dancing or fighting or whatever else it is going to do. But it is going to be the enhanced version of the human being, right? So now you just imagine one thing. For an example, you are just observing some object. Just imagine that if you are just looking out this object, what you'll tell. So if you are just observing, what you'll tell, this is nothing but a highlighter. Okay. So how you are telling this is a highlighter? Because you have watched this highlighter, or you guys have used this highlighter to highlight something which is written in some books, right? This is what the highlighter, how you are identifying this by just observing its like features, right? So how the shape is and how it really looks like, you can able to analyze this. And if I'm showing this to you, so what you'll tell, this is nothing but a mobile phone. How you are telling that? Because you guys have used this mobile phone, you guys have watched wide varieties of mobile phone. For example, if you are giving Nokia keypad mobile phones to a newborn baby nowadays, they'll simply throw away, right? So if you are agreeing to this, you just post agree Sanjay in your live chat, right? So they'll simply throw away because they guys haven't seen it. They whenever they are thinking about a mobile phone, it's like infinite display mobile phone. That's what mobile phone is. So that is what it's all about. Well, talking about that, we have an experience, we have a knowledge. I'm not talking about like your programming knowledge, your communication knowledge. I'm talking about the knowledge, like it might be a smell, it might be a taste, it might be a sense, it might be a vision. But as a human being or as an animal, whatever else, which we have a knowledge or which we have an experience. Okay, so we guys have lived without a mobile phone, we guys have used a keypad mobile phone, we guys have used a touchscreen mobile phones. Now we are using infinite display mobile phones, right? So, and if you are just watching this, you will be telling this is a water bottle. So as a human being, we all have a knowledge. For an example, you just imagine one thing. For an example, Abdul is here and Nishu Reddy is here. So Abdul is going to create a robot like him, okay? And Nishul is going to create a robot like him, and Arshad is going to create a robot like him, and Nikesh Toret is going to create a robot like him. Just imagine that you're going to create a robot like you. You have your own knowledge, you have your own experience. So what you should do is you need to transfer your knowledge or your experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to solve a certain problem. That is what AI. Are you clear? If you are clear, you just post "I'm clear Sanjay" in your live chat. As a human being, we need to transfer our knowledge or our experience to a machine in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to act, or it is going to solve a certain problem. That is what AI by itself. Okay, that's what the key thing. By itself, it is going to do those steps. Clear, Sanjay. Clear. That's amazing, guys. Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm repeating again. As a human being, you need to transfer your experience, your knowledge in the format of data. From the data, it is going to learn and it is going to solve a certain problem. That is what AI is. Now, let me ask you one question. Now, you just imagine you all super hungry. Okay, so you all super hungry. And you all sitting in your room and you are super hungry. And you just imagine if you are smelling, if you are sensing like your neighborhood is something cooking something delicious. It might be biryani, or it might be some some sweets or whatever. So what is gonna be your emotion? You just share your emotions in the live chats in terms of emojis. You just share it in the live chat, because as a human being, we have that analyzing ability. You can analyze and you can identify the pattern. Like it is a biryani smell, it is like chicken smell, it is a sweet smell, or it is like unwashed socks smell. So as a human being, we can analyze something, you can identifying a pattern in it, and you can make a decision. So making a decision in the sense, what is it? It is a biryani smell. It is a sweet smell. It is that one. So it is a gulab jamun. So right. So as a human being, we have that ability to analyze something, to identifying a pattern in it, to make a decision. It might be a smell, it might be a taste, it might be a vision, it might be a sensing. For an example, if you are sitting inside a room, if you are feeling some chillness, you will be sensing, okay, it is raining outside. So if you want to transfer this ability to a machine or to a robot, for an example, as a human being, we have a sensory organs, right? We have like tongue, we have nose, we have sensory organs. For a robot, we can put up a sensor so that you're going to getting some numerical data. The very important concept which we'll be using to transfer that knowledge to a machine is you will be using machine learning and deep learning. Okay, whenever your project is having analyzing and identifying a pattern and making a decision, it might be a prediction, it might be a classification, whatever else, you need to use the concepts such as machine learning or deep learning. Okay, so yes, and Razak posted something, don't speak on biryani, I'm hungry now and feeling the unconditional stimulus right now. Really sorry. Yeah, that's amazing. Thank you so much for making fun on this live, guys. That's super. Yeah. So that is what the analyzing ability of the human being. So if you want to transfer this ability to a robot, you need the concept called machine learning and deep learning. If you are clear with the first concept, you just post clear one Sanjay in your live chat. Now, let us go for the second one. Human can listen and speak. Whenever I am speaking, you are listening to me and you are giving reply in the live chat. Why? Because you understood my language, English, right? That is what the common thing which we need to have a mutual communication. Language is the common thing. So on the time, whenever it is including the language, then the data is going to be a text data or it is going to be a audio data. Here, you should use the concepts such as machine learning and natural language processing. Okay, so here additionally machine learning or deep learning is going to be default, same as like which I've discussed it before, but NLP is necessary. Whenever there is a language in your concepts, you will be using NLP concept, natural language processing. I hope you understand what is the when you should choose NLP, when you should choose ML or DL. Okay, so here also you should choose ML or DL, but NLP is necessary. Are you clear about the second part? If you are clear about the second section, you just post clear to Sanjay in your live chat. And the third part, human can see and recognize. So whatever the stuff which you are seeing, you can able to see and recognize it. Here the data is going to be image or audio data. On the time, you will be choosing moreover computer vision with deep learning. When compared with the machine learning, for the images, deep learning is more accurate and more popular. So that's why you should choose the concepts called computer vision and deep learning. Guys, are you all clear? Okay. So is it super amazing? So if you guys have got super amazing value now, you just post it super amazing Sanjay in your live chat. Whenever there is analyzing, identifying a pattern and making a decision, you should choose machine learning and deep learning. Whenever there is a language, it might be a text or audio data, you need to choose natural language processing. Whenever there is an image based activity like vision based activity, because for an example, as a human being, we have eyes. For robots, we can put up a cameras to acquire image or video data. So that the concept is going to be computer vision and deep learning. And for listening and speaking, we have ear and then mouth. And for robots, we can put up a microphone and then speaker. There we need to choose natural language processing with ML or DL. And whenever there is human and analyze and identify pattern making a decision, we have sensory organs. For robots, we can put up a sensors where we should use the concepts such as machine learning and deep learning. Okay, so guys, are you all super happy? I really want each and every people's happiness. You should smile in this time. Okay, so if you are feeling happy to being here, I really love this, guys. I'm gonna be really happy by seeing your happiness, your satisfaction. And please don't do the spamming for attendance, because a lot of people are here for completely learning. Don't do the spamming for attendance or certificates, some silly stuffs. Okay, so thank you so much for the people who are all really, what is it, super interactive. We just see the live chat, guys, how it is there. Okay, just scroll down a bit, how the people are interacting, how the people are showing their energy, right? But whenever you are doing spamming about the attendance or certificate, it's like odd and out. Okay, don't do the spamming. Be engaged or be be with this community. This is what the amazing thing. Okay, so guys, another very important question which I really gonna ask you. Okay, so I'm gonna be showing one thing because we guys have launched our new community, which I really wanted to share with you. This is what the community which we guys have launched, which is like hub.warriorsway.in. You just see here how many of you people really wanted to be in this community. You just see here, this is what the feed where like whatever the new events, so like everything which is gonna be like social media, but it is gonna be focused on to the technical part. And while talking about the event, we have what are all the event which is gonna be conducted, that is gonna be scheduled like this, and the members who is in this community, and the discovery to get the insights of this community, and the home. And if there is some new updates, for an example, we are about to launch 2 new courses. One is digital business automation and another one is free RTOS masterclass. So that kind of new updates which is going to be launched. And success stories, till now we guys haven't launched, so only now we guys have launched, so that's why it is going to be some parts is going to be empty. And fun and games, like we can do, or we can add some fun activities like this. You just see here, let us see some like video. You just see here, it's gonna be like amazing thing. For an example, you just see here, error, satisfaction. So what we really need to do, like we need to press Control Alt Delete, and we need to select sadness, laziness, jealousy, anger, guilty, anxiety, Control Alt Delete, like force quit, and we are gonna be happy. So that's amazing, right? So how many of you people really love this community, and how many of you people really wanted to be in this community? If you really wanted to be in this community, you just post, I wanted Sanjay in your lecture. Because under the category of data science, we have bronze members and silver members. And we have under the embedded system, we have bronze and silver members. And digital marketing and automation, we have bronze membership. So likewise, we guys have categories, and there you can do tons and tons of interaction. This is the community which we have. So how many of you people really wanted to be in this part of community? If you really wanted to be in this part of community, you just post, I wanted Sanjay in your live chat. Because for that, if you really wanted to be on that community, I'm gonna be revealing the way to join on that community. Okay, yes, a lot of people are posting I want. Okay, so now let us start another very important part, which is I really want to share with you. Okay, so for each and another very important thing, you may have some thoughts running in your mind, Sanjay, if I want to master, or if I want to become a data scientist, what is the roadmap to become a data scientist? That is what the major question, right? So what are all the skills I need to get, right? Guys, for an example, while talking about a data analyst, you really no need to master programming completely, not that much required. But while talking about a data scientist, this is the roadmap. I hope you all having your laptops, your mobile phone. Please take a snap of it. Okay, I'll be revealing that one by one. So the first skill which you need to have is Excel. So Excel is not the way you are thinking in your school days. You have used to do sum or difference or total. So this is what now the Excel is. With the help of Excel, you can do data cleaning, you can do automation, you can write a macro. So likewise, and you can create a dashboard, you can do a data visualization, tons and tons of things which is present in the Excel. The first skill which you need to master is Excel. And second skill which you need to master is statistics. How many of you people are here remember mean, median, standard deviation? If you remember that, you just post, I remember Sanjay in your live chat. So that is what the statistical skills which you need to master. Okay, mean, median, standard deviation and those stuff. Statistical skills. And third one which is needed to be like programming. While talking about the programming, there are a lot of programming like programming choices. You have Python, you have R, you have C++. But while talking about the programming comparison, Python is going to be very easy to write and easy to deploy. So Python programming is my suggestion. So that is what the programming skills which you need to master, the third skill. And the fourth skill, which is a data visualization skill. How you are designing your dashboard, how you are representing your data, how much insights can be able to easily get it from the dashboard which you have created. So the data visualization skills is also necessary. And the fifth skill, which is one of the Python library skills, which is NumPy and Pandas, which is going to be helpful for processing the data. It might be a numerical data, it might be Excel sheet. So how you are going to process the data? So for that, we need to master the library called NumPy and Pandas library. And the sixth skill, which is highly essential skill, which is business intelligence tool skill. BI skills is nothing. BI tools is nothing but business intelligence tools. Business intelligence tools, there are a lot of BI tools, example Power BI and Tableau, which these two are more popular. Even though if you are only mastering Excel, you can also become only a data analyst. You can, if you are mastering Power BI, you can also only become a data analyst. But if you are mastering this whole complete skill, you can become a data scientist. So while talking about the BI tool, you need to master Power BI and you need to master Tableau as well. And the seventh skill which you need to get is database skills. While talking about the database skills is like MySQL and MongoDB. So these are all like another database skill, like SQL programming. And the eighth skill which we need to master is machine learning. And the ninth one, which is deep learning. Before they won't ask for the deep learning engineer, but nowadays they are asking. So this is what the roadmap to become a data scientist. Okay, if you guys have took a snap of this roadmap to become a data scientist, you just post. I took Sanjay in your live chat. And if you really want to master these complete skill, you just post, I want to master Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so Excel, okay, Excel, statistics, programming, data visualization skills, NumPy and Panda skills, BI tools like Power BI and Tableau, database like MySQL and MongoDB, and machine learning and deep learning, additionally NLP and those stuff based on the project which you want to work on. Okay, guys, do you really love this? Okay, so if you really love this, you just post I love this, or if the content is, if you are really feeling this content were really precise, you just post it's precise Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, and also let me tell you the alternative ways. Okay, so for an example, if you are really not interested in only on data, you can only become a data scientist or data analyst. That's one part. But other than that, if you want to like do work on some images that we guys have already discussed, right? Like images or video. So then you can look out this. You just see here, this is the Tesla autopilot view. How the vehicle is looking out the road. So which is like lane detection, traffic light detection, vehicle detection, pedestrian detection, and road sign detection. So you just see here, traffic light green has been detected. So, and if it is turning on, which is like stop sign detection, you just see here the stop has been detected, right? So stop sign detection. You just see here, if you really don't want to work on data analysis, if you want to work on AI application, to work on this kind of image based application, you can become computer vision or deep learning engineer. But if you want to work on some languages, for an example, if you're talking about ALS patient, ALS means amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, I think. So that people is having deficiency where everything is going to be getting paralyzed. Even their tongue, they can't able to talk properly. They'll be talking like autopilot on road. So that pronunciation is not going to be clear. So on the time that with the help of NLP with artificial intelligence, you can create an AI application to help them. For an example, if they are talking, this is what the slow autopilot sees on the road. So if the pronunciation is not clear, you can work on the NLP concepts on the audio data. You can recreate the audio with the help of AI. Like this is what Tesla's autopilot sees on the road. So you can help that kind of people to solve their problems. So that is what the AI is. You know, guys, is it super insightful? If it is super insightful, you just post super insightful Sanjay in your live chat. So this kind of, so I'm not telling you this is what the only way data scientist. You are going to have a lot of opportunity. You can work on image based data alone to work as like a computer vision and deep learning engineer. You can work on AI hardwares. You can work on audios or text data. You can create a chatbots. So likewise, you might have tons and tons of opportunity on the field of AI. Okay. So guys, is it super insightful? I'm feeling that each and every people are staying till this time. If you are a kind of people who are all staying till the end without leaving in between, nearly 748 people are not reduced, even a 1%, I think so. I haven't seen any people are not, any people are leaving. So I feel really happy that you people are here. That's amazing. First of all, thank you so much. Please accept my thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you tons for being here up to this time. So if you are being here in this time, up to this time, you are really special. All the very best for your future. Definitely you're going to have future of like which is going to be filled with tons and tons of happiness. All the very best, guys. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, session is not end. Okay, I'm just giving something like something positive for you, right? Yes. So now, how many of you people really wanted to master these skills, right? So how many of you people really wanted to master these tools? these programming, these BI tools, these databases, these machine learning, these deep learning, the projects such as like road sign recognition, the projects such as like vehicle detection, projects such as like emotion recognition, the projects such as like a face mask detection, the projects such as like social distancing detection, the projects such as like Twitter sentimental analysis, the projects such as like fake news detection, the projects such as like Harry Potter clock detection, like Harry Potter invisible clock. I hope a lot of people are already the fan of Harry Potter. So how many of you people really wanted to build that kind of tons and tons of projects? So if you are a one kind of person who wanted to do such things, you just post, I am Sanjay in your live chat. Yes, yes, lot of people are posting, I want, I want, I want. So before that, yes. So let me tell you, let me start up with something with your permission. So for each and every people, we have some pain points. If you want to master such a skills, if you really wanted to master the thing which I've shown you, so the price is the first pain point. So if you are agreeing to this, you just post yes Sanjay in your live chat, because whenever you are listening to that courses or whatever the courses which is around maximum of around like 3 lakhs even 4 lakhs even 1.5 lakhs, and which is also having 40,000 and nearly around 15,000, 20,000. The price is the first pain point for the learners. And the second pain points are lack of confidence. Sanjay, I'm an average student. How can I become this data scientist? Can I able to master that? I haven't even done a programming before. So lack of confidence, that's the another pain point. And the third pain point, which is earning. Will I get higher salary? That is what the another pain point. And another pain point, which is a vacancy. Is it having a future scope? That's what the another pain points. If the answer were yes, you just post yes Sanjay in your live chat. And the trust. Am I learning from the trustworthy company? Or hesitation. The people are having some hesitation. No, I can't do that. Right? So and overload. So if the content is not precise, if it is like blah blah blah, there is like 400 hours of video lectures. Okay, so tons of content. That is what the pain points of the learner. But while talking about the solution, how about the less price course? How about the learning mindset to achieve what you really want to solve the lack of confidence? How about the high paying job to solve that money earning problem? And how about in demand job? And how about learning from the trustworthy experienced company to begin to gain that trust? And how about the transparent environment? And how about the precise content with application based learning? How about these stuffs? So that's why we also guys are providing. So you all people are attending in the YouTube live. That's okay. You're going to get a certificate if you have minimum of 25 days of attendance, but without having that kind of restriction. We are also providing an internship program, which is having this 30 days of video recorded, which is going to be already recorded in a portal. You can watch that video anytime you really want. For an example, if you are visiting this learn.pantech.solutions.net, you can able to visit that course portal. So this 30 days has been already recorded as like a video lecture, because in a YouTube, we have a timing constraints, like 90-minute timing constraints. Guys, another very important thing, we are going to create a chatbot on the upcoming timing session. Don't miss out that chatbot creation. Yeah. So while talking about this artificial intelligence masterclass using Python, we also have this kind of portal where every videos is being recorded. For an example, this complete 30 days videos is going to be recorded, and the complete 25 plus project source code is going to be given, and the complete data set is going to be given, complete PowerPoint presentation is going to be given, complete PDF is going to be given, complete mind map is going to be given. Mind map is nothing but this is what the mind map is. Okay, so the mind map is going to be given, and technical materials, yes, which includes that PowerPoint presentation, mind map, PDF, source code, data set, everything is going to be given. And once you are completing it, you're going to get internship e-certificate. So this course validity, which is going to be lifetime validity. Okay, how many of you people are really interested in this internship? If you are interested, you just post I'm interested Sanjay in your live chat. Because you really don't want to attend in this YouTube, you can attend in this internship. You don't want to depend on the YouTube. You can watch anytime if you are free. This is a self-paced video completely out there. This is what the internship we have. Okay, solution, which is the internship which we are providing. Okay, so the internship which we are providing at the price of 999 rupees, only the AI internship. But what is the another very important thing? So yes, so you are going to get this internship certificate as well. But what is the very important thing? What is the surprise announcement which is waiting today is we are providing the 5-in-1 combo course, which is nothing but the first one, Python Bootcamp, Python course. Number 2, which is a machine learning course completely dedicated only for the machine learning. And number 3, which is AI course, which I've told you now. And this data analytics course, which is the 4th course which I'm offering. And the 5th course, which is deep learning. So actually Python is a 10 days course, which will be giving you the complete clarity about the Python. And machine learning, which is a 3 days course, which is around 28 plus projects you are going to do under the category of supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, 25 plus projects. And AI course, which is going to be also 3 days course, which is based on this chatbot, Python programming, computer vision, machine learning, deep learning, NLP, AI cloud, AI hardware. And data analytics course, which is based on the roadmap which I've watched, right? So Excel, Python, statistics, BI tools like Power BI and Tableau, database like MySQL and MongoDB, and machine learning and deep learning. That's what the data analytics course which has been covered. And while talking about the deep learning, it is covering that artificial neural network, convolutional neural network, recurrent neural network, and which will also include a lot of projects under all different frameworks like TensorFlow, Keras, PyTorch, and Caffe. So everything which has been covered. So this is like, this is also 3 days, this 30 days, this 30 days, this is 30 days, and Python, which is 10 days course, the 5 courses. So though totally like access to every 5 courses of video lectures, more than 100 plus projects you are going to be building. You're going to get every PPT, mind map, source code, data set, trained model file, and bonus videos, everything you're going to get. And Saturday, Zoom live session. Yes. So the first question which is going to be coming in your mind, Sanjay, it is self-paced. I'm not going to get any, any live on weekends. So that is what the self-paced which I told you. So this is one course. Same as like this is artificial intelligence course. And this is what the deep learning course. And we have, this is the 3rd course, which is data analytics course. And we have 4th course, which is machine learning course. And 5th course, which is a Python course. So likewise, every videos is going to be like this. 30 days. This deep learning is also going to be 30 days. Data analytics, which is also going to be 30 days. Machine learning, which is also going to be 30 days. And basic Python, which is going to be 10 days. Okay. So likewise, 5 courses. And also, so as I've already told you, the hub.warriorsway.in, I hope you all remember that. A lot of people have posted, I'm interested, Sanjay, in your live chat, right? So you guys have posted that. So you're going to be part of this community. So that you can able to attend Zoom live session on each and every weekend. So, and also you're going to be getting lifetime private community access, the private community which I've told you, right? This community access you're going to be getting, and you're going to be in this bronze membership, especially on AI. So if you are part of that bronze membership, you can attend each and every bootcamp which is going to be conducted. Okay. So coming Saturday also bootcamp is going to be there. So which is going to be a live session. And you're going to get 5 certificates: AI certificate, machine learning internship certificate, data analytics internship certificate, Python internship certificate, deep learning internship certificate. So 5 courses, which we are going to get 5-in-1 combo. So how many of you people are really interested to know the price of this 5 courses? If you are interested, you just post, I'm interested, Sanjay, in your live chat. So again, I'm telling you 5 courses: AI 30 days, machine learning 30 days, data analytics 30 days, deep learning 30 days, and Python, which is going to be 10 days. And this is the roadmap. Okay. So once you are registering for it, first complete AI course, and then machine learning course, and the data analytics course, and then Python course, and then deep learning course. Why we guys have kept this Python course later is because if you are starting up with a Python, it is like a Udemy. It is like some other places which you are getting courses. So that's why we are going to begin this journey by starting the course called AI, because you are going to build 25 plus projects under every category of AI. Under computer vision, there are 4 to 5 projects. Under deep learning, there are 10 plus projects. Under machine learning, there are 2 to 3 projects. Under the NLP, there are 2 to 3 projects. Under AI using cloud, under AI using hardware. So likewise, you will be learning tons and tons of projects. And under the machine learning, under supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning, you'll be building 28 plus projects. And the data analytics, you'll be doing a lot of analysis. You'll be creating a dashboards even. So then you'll be getting a lot of confidence on learning Python in depth. So then you will be moving on to the Python. So that's what this journey which is all about. Okay. And deep learning masterclass, which is moving on to the complete deep learning. So how many people really wanted to know the price? Yes. So I'm revealing that, as I've already told you, we used to provide each and every course at the price of 999. For an example, we'll be providing this Python bootcamp as for 999. and machine learning for 999, and AI course for 999, and data analytics for 999, and deep learning for 999. But this is our first day of this launch event. So that's why what we are going to be providing is, instead of providing this total value at the price of 4,000 and 999, because if you are summing it up, it might be around 4,985, I think so, 995, I think so. But what we are providing is, we are going to be providing at the same price of single course, which is 999. How many of you people really love this offer? So the link which is going to be given in the live chat now. So 5 courses with a lifetime validity, with every source code and every recording videos, which is going to be available just at the rupees of 999. If you are registered, if you are going into this part of this community, you just post, I am in Sanjay in your live chat. The link which is going to be shared in the live chat, you just click that link and start registering for the internship. Okay. And also, as I've already told you, you can able to attend a weekly inner circle mastermind. So that I've already shown you in the community. So that is going to be absolutely free. You can access this private community. Okay. So now let us continue our technical session. And another very important thing, since this is a launch day offer. So I'm going to be providing this course only for the limited time. Okay. So I'm going to be start my countdown timer. Okay, so let me start on the countdown timer for 30 minutes. Okay, yes, I've started the countdown for 30 minutes. I'm gonna be deleting this payment link, or I'm gonna be deactivating this payment link after this 30 minutes. Okay, so yes, I've started this countdown. So the people who already wanted to register, you just want to register by using the link which is given in the live chat. Okay, if you are registered or if you are going to register for it, you just post, I am in Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, let us continue our technical session. So while talking about this we have already mastered, right? Excel, statistics, and programming. And while talking about the machine learning also, we are going to be learning the machine learning in the upcoming days. So this data analytics and machine learning differences and everything I've already told you with the help of story. I hope you all remember that story. And the job roles, there are a lot of job roles which is going to be there. Like data analyst, what are all the job roles? And machine learning, there are job roles. And data science, there are a lot of job roles, and also computer vision engineer. So there are a lot of job roles which is gonna be there. Okay, so yeah, so let me give that to you. So NLP engineer. So there are a lot of job roles under the category of AI. This is what is all about the mind map. I hope you guys have got already a clarity. I really don't want to read this to give boring stuffs to you. Okay, that is what is all about. Now let us create a chatbot. How many of you people are super excited to create a chatbot? If you are super excited to create a chatbot, you just post super excited Sanjay in your live chat. Guys, the people who want to register for the internship, the link which is given in the live chat, you just click the link to register for the internship. Okay. For international people also, you can use that link to register as an like internship, like international customer. You can also use that link. Okay, if you can't able to do that, you can post it in the live chat. Our team will be sending you individual international link if it is not working. Okay, yes. Okay, so first of all, while talking about the chatbot, okay, so first of all, you guys tell me, okay, let me raise some poll. Okay, how many of you people are ready to do as a hands-on? Okay, I have laptop or PC ready to do hands-on. Okay, so I just written some poll. You just give your responses in the poll, guys. Let us see how many people are really able to do it with me, because we are going to create a chatbot now itself. Okay, just give your responses. Yes. Okay, so now, guys, while talking about the chatbot, first of all, you just imagine one thing. You just try to come with me. The chatbot is going to be really helpful in many ways. It is going to replace like manpower, where the people want to keep on interactive with the person. So customer services, which is going to be solved with the help of chatbots. So to create a chatbot, there are a lot of ways. First way, which is to use the programming language and to use the natural language processing, because it includes a language, as you all remember that. I hope you all remember that, guys. Don't tell me like I don't remember. You already know whenever there is a language, you need to use a natural language processing concept with machine learning or deep learning. So that is, which is one part where you need the programming skills, you need that AI skills and those stuff. But there is an alternative, another skill we can use to create a chat. Ready, Sanjay, in your live chat? Okay. So yes. Now, please do it with me. So I'm gonna be doing it parallelly. Okay. What we are gonna be doing is we are gonna be typing the dialect flow console. Okay. So what you just type is dialect flow space console. Okay, guys, another very important thing, the people who already registered for single course at the price of 999 previously around, I think some people have already registered, don't worry, your remaining 4 courses might have already enrolled for you. Okay, wait for 12 hours and please check it out. So don't worry, you no need to pay another 999 rupees. So you have, if you have already paid 999 rupees for enrolling for a single AI course, you will be automatically enrolled to this 5-in-1 combo. Don't worry about it. Okay, so how many of you people have registered? If you are registered, you just post I registered Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so guys, only 25 minutes left. The people who haven't registered, this is the right opportunity to join our community, because we are beginning our community. We have launched it very frequently. Previously it was there, but now it is started managing in a very, because it is updated. So it's super amazing by looking out that. So if you really wanted to be part of it, this is the right time to join our community, guys. Okay, now dialect flow console. Just type dialect flow space console in your Google and visit this URL dialectflow.cloud.google.com. Let me give you the URL in the live chat. So I'm giving the URL, guys. You just click the link which I've given in the live chat, guys. Okay, that's amazing. Rushikesh have purchased. Congratulations, Rushikesh. And congratulations, Tech Baba. Thank you. That's amazing. Thank you, sir. That's amazing. And Santosh, congratulations. Nikesh, congratulations. And Vinay, congratulations. And Santosh Kumar, congratulations. And it's personal, congratulations. And Rushikesh, okay, thank you so much, Sanjay. Thank you, Rushikesh. Okay, that's amazing. And Thaya Sandy, I'm interested. That's amazing. Yes. So yeah, wait a minute, guys. Let me delete my previous chatbot. Okay, so wait a minute. Let me start up like fresh so that you can do it with me. Okay, so I hope you guys have got this dialogflow.google.com. Okay, and you guys have got this page. So if you guys have got this page, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. IGT is just nothing but I got this. So if you guys have got this page, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, if you are visiting this URL, it is going to ask you to choose your Google account. Choose your Google account and sign up. And you should get this page. If you guys have got this page, you just post IGT Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that's amazing. Yes, IGT, a lot of people are posting. That's amazing. So now, what you just want to do is, you just want to create your agent. Okay, so you just want to click this create agent button and give the name for your chatbot. Don't use special characters. Try to give very simple name. For an example, I'm going to give the name called Sanjay bot. Okay, so that's gonna be like no, I'm going to create a pizza bot. Okay, I'm going to create a robot chatbot for ordering a pizza. So my name is pizza bot. So what you guys do is, you guys ping your chatbot name in the live chat. Okay, let us see who are all creating chatbot with us parallelly. So once you have given the name, click create button in this option. So it is gonna be saved. Please wait for a few minutes. Okay. And if you guys have completed this first step, you just post done Sanjay in your live chat, or you just post done agent Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that is what my chatbot's agent name. Okay, so if you guys have did this, you just post done, or you just post your chatbot's name. A lot of people are created. That's amazing. Jarvis and Jarvis bot, lazy bot, biscuit. Okay, that's amazing. That's funny. And robotent, maxi bot. The names were super amazing, guys. You are really superb. Anil bot, food palace. That's amazing. That's great, guys. Raymond bot and agent bot, Wasak bot. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. That's amazing. Pikachu, free therapist, Deadbot, PUBG bot, Panda bot, Doraemon bot, Godfrey bot, Imran bot, Friday bot. That's amazing, guys. That's amazing. Guys, how you are feeling the session? Is the session was super interactive? You just give your responses. Is it amazing? Okay, so how you are feeling up to now? So we guys have crossed over nearly around 1 hour and 15 minutes. I think the session will go around furthermore few minutes. Okay, because chatbot is there and mindset is there. Because the mindset definitely you should not miss. Okay, because if you are crossing that mindset session, you will be feeling, thank you so much. Thank God I just crossed this mindset. I haven't left in between. So definitely don't miss out, guys. Don't miss out the upcoming part of the session. Just one day, guys. Okay, I'm telling you, the rest of the day I'll try to manage the time within 1 hour. But the first day is gonna be like very important, like we have tons and tons of value to know. So yes. Now, once we guys have created the agent, now what you just do is left hand side, there is an option called small talk. Okay, so there is a small talk option. You just click that small talk. Once you guys have clicked that small talk, there is an option called enable. First of all, enable it. Okay, so first of all, enable it. Once it has been enabled, if you are scrolling down, there are a lot of options like about agent, courtesy, emotions, hello or goodbye, about user, confirmation, other questions and phrases. This is nothing but if someone is asking some question to a chatbot, what your chatbot want to give the reply. For an example, if I'm clicking about agent, if someone is asking who are you to your chatbot, what your chatbot's reply should be. So that's what I'm going to enter here. I am Sanjay's pizza bot. Okay, or else you can add more alternative reply. I am pizza ordering chatbot. I am chatbot. So likewise, you can add furthermore alternative reply. And furthermore, down on the down, you can choose how old are you. I am chatbot, you idiot. Okay. So likewise, you can add furthermore alternative replies for your chatbot. Okay. So, and you are annoying and answer my questions. So likewise, there are a lot of questions up to you. You can complete it or you don't want to complete it. That's your option. You can do it. And courtesy. So if someone is telling great, you can tell thank you. So likewise, you just want to fill up those questions. Okay. So if someone is telling bye, 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 you're welcome. Okay, so likewise, you can add for different questions, you can add alternative reply. And what you just do is you just click save. These are known as a small talk. Small talks is nothing but the basic, silly or basic questions which you are filling up. Okay, for an example, we guys have completed 5% of the small talk. But if you really wish, you can complete it as you wish. Okay, so once you have done, on the right hand side, you can check your chatbot by typing hello. For an example, if I'm typing hello, just see here, good day. What can I do for you today? It's asking me automatically, it is asking me the reply. You can able to see the reply here. For an example, let me ask, who are you? Okay, it's not mean that you need to ask the same exact question. That is what the chatbot is. You can ask it in a different way, so it will understand the meaning and it will give the reply. You just see here, I am pizza ordering chatbot. And then, how old are you? Ta-da! Just see here, I am a chatbot, you idiot. Guys, do you really love this? If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. Guys, only 17 minutes were left to register for this 5-in-1 combo at the price of 999 with the lifetime validity with the free community access. So everything you are getting for 5-in course with the price of 999 rupees. So only 17 minutes were left. The link which is given in the live chat, you just click that link and register for the internship as soon before the offer it ends. Okay, yes. So guys, did you guys have completed this task, the small talk option? If you guys have completed, you just guys have post I completed Sanjay, or you just post IGT, or you just post IDI. I did it. Okay, you just post IDI. Okay, so that you can practice your side. You can do interaction at the parallel. You can't type ICOMPLEAT completed. No. So you just post IDA. I completed. I did it. Okay, that's it. So now what we are going to do is we are going for the option called intent. So what is this intent is? Your chatbot's intent. Why we are creating a chatbot? Is it for food ordering? Is it for train ticket booking or flight ticket booking? So why we are creating this chatbot? What is the intent of your chatbot? That is what the intent option. So I guys gone for the intent and click the create intent option. Here it is going to ask you the name for your chatbot intent. So I'm going to give the name like order pizza. This is what my intent of my chatbot. Okay, I've just clicked the save and I just click done. Okay, are you clear? Alfred Paul, can we access videos n number of times in internship? Yes, exactly. It is gonna be lifetime. It is gonna be valid for lifetime. Okay, you can watch anytime you really want. Okay, so yes, so order pizza has been the my intent of my chatbot. I've done that and I clicked save. Now, what you're going to do is you're going to add some training phrases. So here there is like add training phrases. You just click that add training phrases. Here you just add something like order pizza. Order me a pizza. Just for training purpose, we are just adding some training phrase and scroll down under the response. I'm going to add like pizza order completed. That's it. Okay. So I did that and don't forget to click save. Okay. Please always, whatever the changes which you are making in the chatbot, don't forget to click save. I click the save and you can check your chatbot on the right hand side. Now I'm going to type I need pizza. Okay, it's asking me like I'm certainly trying my best. How can I help you? Order me a pizza. Okay, wait a minute. Let me click save again. I think it is not saved properly. Okay, so if you're typing order pizza, it's just given me the response pizza order completed. Okay, so pizza order is completed. That's what we guys have got the response. Okay, so I hope you are clear up to now. Now, what is the another very important thing which I'm going to be adding is we're going to be doing a lot of data validation. For an example, I'm going to get the customer email ID, I'm going to get the customer name, or I'm going to get the customer phone number, I'm going to get the customer address. Likewise, you can get a lot of information and you can also validate it. For an example, order pizza to the email ID of, I'm going to give some email ID format. Okay, it no need to be your valid email ID. It can be a dummy email. Don't give your valid email. Please give a dummy email. Why? Because we are just giving a format of email ID how it really looks like. Some text and @ the symbol and gmail.com. That's what the part there. So Sanjay at gmail.com has been given and you're going to select it with the help of mouse cursor and leave it. So it is going to be opening one dialog box where it is going to ask you the filter. I'm going to choose that entity called email. Okay, I'm just typing email and you're going to choose sys.email. Select that. Okay, color will be appeared to this format sanjay at gmail.com and don't forget to save. And once it has been saved, go to this manage parameter and then action. You can able to see the above entity, the email which is going to be shown here. First of all, enable that email and under the prompts is there, right? So here in the prompts category, define prompts option, you just click that define prompts. Here you just enter the question. Enter your email ID or may I know your email ID. Okay, so So likewise, you can add questions to get the email ID from the users. Okay. So once it has been done, just click close, click save. Now you can able to see the magic on the right hand side. I'm typing order me a pizza. Now it's asking a question. May I know your email ID? Now let us see the magic, guys. Now I'm going to type some text. I'm not going to give it in the proper email ID format. I'm typing enter. Ta-da! Just see here. Again, it is asking my email ID. Now I'm going to give my phone number. Just I'm playing with my chatbot, guys. Even if we are giving a phone number, it is asking the same question. Why? Because we guys have configured the mail ID format, how it really should looks like. Now for enter your email ID question, now I'm going to give the proper email ID format like champ@gmail.com. And if you are pressing an enter, finally we got an output like pizza order completed. Guys, is it easy? If it is easy, you just post it's easy Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so that is what it's all about. So pizza order is completed. Now, for an example, if you want to get the people's phone number, again, same procedure. Order pizza to, so some number, okay? It's not a real number, guys. I'm giving some dummy number. And I'm going to select it with my mouse. And under the filter option, I'm going to choose PHO, phone number. I'm going to type it. And don't forget to save it. Once you have saved it, below this entity action in the parameter is going to be appeared. And you're going to enable this. And under this prompt, click this and enter the question. Enter your contact number. May I know your phone number? Okay. So likewise, you can add some questions for this and you can click save. And again, you can check your chatbot on the right hand side. Order pizza, enter. Now it's asking my email ID. I'm going to give some other mail IDs like Arul is here. So arul@gmail.com. And may I know the phone number? While talking about the phone number, if you are giving text, it is not going to work because the contact email, the contact number we are configured as an entity. So now if I am giving some phone number in the format, and if you are pressing an enter, ta-da! So finally we got an output like pizza order completed. Are you clear? Guys, is it easy? So we guys have created a chatbot by adding a lot of, so not only this email or phone number, you can add address. For an example, let me show you. Order pizza. You just see here, email is for here, phone number is here, zip code is here, date time is here, color is here, last name is here, unit speed is here, geo city is here, percentage is here, location is here, area is here, and length is here, integer is here, and email is here, time is here, country code is here. So likewise, music genre is here, and airport is here. So likewise, there are a lot of options is going to be available. So up to based on your needs, because if you are booking a ticket, you need to get the user the informations like date and the time, and you need to get the informations like location, like departure and arrival. So likewise, you need to get those information. So that's why you can add those information here to get these stuffs. Okay, so that you can validate your information from the customer and you can get us like in the chatbot. Now, okay, guys, are you clear up to now? If you are clear up to now, you just post I'm clear Sanjay in a live chat. So now what you are going to do is let us go for the entity option. So in the entity here there is an option called create entity. So what is that entity is? Okay, so you guys tell me what are all the pizza toppings you really love. Okay, you just give your responses in the live chat because I'm going to be adding toppings. So this is what the custom entity. So I'm going to give the name like toppings. And here I'm going to give some pizza toppings. Okay, just give your responses, guys. What are the toppings you know, but or you love? Okay, let us see who is going to give the answers. Okay, olive. First entity were, sorry, first toppings were olive. Okay, mozzarella. Okay. Then capsicum. Okay, then any other guys? Okay, paneer. Okay, something is, what is that in English? Shall I give it in paneer? I really don't know. Yeah, I think so. Paneer. Okay, or let us keep it as okay. So paneer, let it be, and let us put spicy. Okay. Okay, that's why like I can add some custom toppings and I'm going to click save. And the intent, I'm going for the order pizza, my intent which I've created. And what you are going to do is here I'm going to give order cheese pizza or something like that. Okay, I'm going to select this text again here. Instead of choosing the default entities, I'm going to choose my entity which I've created, toppings entity. Once I've done, click save. And under the action and the parameter topping is going to be there. Enable that. And under the toppings, ask the question, what toppings do you need? So likewise, you can add the toppings. And if you are scrolling down further, you can add like pizza with, let me add some phrases. Let pizza with dollar symbol toppings, topping order completed in the email ID of, let me show you the output, then you'll understand what I'm doing here now. Okay, and with the contact number of dollar symbol phone number. Okay, let me show you. Thank you. I thank you here. Okay, so now I'm going to click save. On the right hand side, I'm going to be checking out my chatbot. Order pizza. May I know your email ID? I'm going to type champ@gmail.com and my phone number. So I'm giving some phone number. And what toppings do you need? I need spicy and enter. Ta-da! So now you just see here pizza with spicy toppings order completed in the email ID of champ@gmail.com with the contact number which I've shown you, and thank you. Okay. So guys, do you really like this? Okay. If you really love this, you just post I love this Sanjay in your live chat. And I'm just seeing that a lot of people are spamming for attendance. Please don't spam for the attendance. Only few minutes left. Okay. And while going for the integration, there is an option called a web demo. If you are having your own website, you can go for this web demo and you can enable it and you can check it out. This one, so like it will be like website integration. You can integrate your chatbot with your website, or you can integrate your chatbot with your Google Assistants. So those kind of bonus session which has been given on the internship. If you really want that complete bonus, you just register for that 5-minute combo. This is the right time, guys. Final 3 minutes left. Okay, so that is what is all about. Okay, now what we are going to type is I'm going to interact from the chatbot itself. Okay, order pizza, and it's asking, may I know your email ID? I'm going to type champ@gmail.com. May I know your phone number? I'm going to type some phone number here. And what toppings do you need? I need some spicy toppings. And yeah, pizza with spicy topping order completed in the mail ID of champ@gmail.com and with the contact number which is entered. Okay, so guys, is it clear? Okay, so are you all satisfied? So if you all satisfied, you just post I'm satisfied Sanjay in your live chat. Okay, so yeah, so another very important thing, we have programming mindset session, very few minutes with your permission. Shall I have your 5 minutes more? Okay, 5 to 10 minutes might be. Okay, it is because of our interaction. Okay, guys, another very important thing, if you are coming for the attendance, if you are coming for the certificate, this is not a right place for you guys. Okay, so how many of you people really waiting for? Okay, if you are ready to stay, if you are ready to learn, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat. Let us see who is all interested in this programming mind. If you all interested, you just post RTL Sanjay in your live chat. RTL, which is nothing but ready to learn. Okay. Okay, so yes, so while talking about this programming mind, okay, So what is all about that is the programming mind. While talking about the programming mind, guys, don't spread some negative messages, because today's session we're gonna have Q&A at the last. You can interact with me on the Q&A session. So don't worry about the interaction and those stuff, because I can't able to answer each and every people out there. I hope you understand, right? Yes. So guys, while talking about this programming mind, this is not being discussed anywhere else, but people should have an awareness about it. For an example, you can take Sundar Pichai as an best example. If he is only good at skill set, it might be an employee forever. But apart from the skill set, you might be a master in artificial intelligence. You might be a master and a programmer. But apart from the programming knowledge, apart from the technical skills, you need something to grow in your greater heights. For an example, the positive attitude, the team management skills, the positivity, and leadership skills, decision making skills, and how you are managing team, like what is it, how friendly you are, and like positive approach, confidence. So apart from the technical skills, you need something which is really essential, so that you are gonna be in the greater heights. If you are only good at skills, you will be a lifelong employer. But other than that, if you are mastering apart from the skills, technical skills, you will be going greater heights. Okay. So because when I got to know that I just promoted as a product manager, I felt really amazed and I felt really happy. So that is what is all about. That's why I really wanted to share this mindset session with you, because people are not having an awareness about this. So that's why I really want to share with you. Okay. So are you all ready to listen? If you are ready to listen, you just post "I'm ready, Sanjay" in your live chat. The first point, which is success is the progressive realization of worthy ideal. For each and every people, success is going to be different. For an example, some people will think, if I started a company, I got good revenue, so that is success. Yes, that is going to be different. And if someone is thinking, if I want to own a house, or if I want to own a car, or if I want to own a rich family, like want to live a rich family, like wealthy life, so then that is going to be a success. So for each and every people, success is going to be different, but that is going to be achieved by each and every time. You should want to realize each and every minute of your life. And the second point, our past is not equal to the future. For an example, you just imagine one thing. So before going for the second point, let me tell you another very important point. Whatever the stuff which you really want in your life, think big. Whatever you really want in your life, always think big. Okay, it might be a house, it might be a car, it might be a bike, it might be whatever else, it might be a skills, whatever else. You should always think big. Okay, so guys, people who are all spamming like it's more than minute, more than or something, please, you can leave the session. Okay, if you are not interested in this, okay, you can later come here and fill up the attendance. Okay, I'm just requesting my team to fill up the attendance, guys. Okay, so I'm just requesting to post the attendance link. The people who are all staying for the attendance, you can fill up the attendance and you can leave the session, guys. Okay, so guys, and also I just got some notification that international people can't able to still not able to register for the internship. So that's why what I'm just doing is I'm just extending this offer for more than 30 minutes. Okay, let me start down the countdown again. Okay, yeah, because I just used to got some of the people can't able to pay for from other countries. So I just extended furthermore 30 minutes. The people who haven't registered, this is the right opportunity. So yeah, so that is what the 10th point. Think big. Okay, the people who rushed for the attendance, click the attendance link and fill up and you can leave the guys. Okay, so the people who wanted to learn these stuff, stay until the end. Okay, so I won't take more than 15 minutes. Okay, for the 10 minutes even. So think big. Whatever you really want in your life, always think big. So in this point, a lot of people used to tell, Sanjay, what you are telling? So if you are asking me to dream big, I'm getting only 10,000 salary or 7,000 salary or 15,000 even. How can I own BMW bike? Or how can I own BMW car? Don't dream like that. Whatever you really want in your life, your past is not equal to your future. It might change at any point of your life. So don't constrain your dream. Don't constrain your thoughts. Don't constrain your vision. So your past is not equal to the future. So it might change at any time. So always dream big. And the third very important point, If you're not filling your day with high priority actions, your day will be automatically filled with low priority distractions. For an example, if you're waking up on a certain morning, if you're not knowing what you're going to do on that day is going to be filled with YouTube shorts, Instagram reels. How many of you people are really agreeing to that? If you all agreeing to that, you just post agree Sanjay in your live chat. So why I'm telling that is because a lot of people, if you are a creator, if you are running YouTube channel or Instagram profile where you are a creator, you can spend more time on creation, but you should not be a consumer than the creator. You should be more creator than the consumer. Okay, you should be a more creator. So you should be aware of what in which place you are spending a time. Okay, that's what the third point. And the fourth point, we will plan positive thoughts and we will achieve positive results. For an example, your mind is like a land where you can plant both the poisonous plant and the poison like fruit plant. It's not mean that poisonous plant is going to grow slow and fruit plant is going to grow very fast. Both the plant is going to grow equally, same as like your thoughts. If you are thinking about your problems, you are going to achieve it again. So for an example, let us consider some scenario where you just imagine like what is it? So a lot of people used to think in this way. I am poor. I don't have enough money. My family is not a rich family. I don't have good skill set. I'm not good at communication skills. I'm looking very bad. I'm not looking good. I don't have bike. I don't have car. I don't have house. I don't have like good friends. I don't have good family. Okay. So are you all with me? So how many of you people are thinking like this way? Even though you are in this situation, try to do a minor mind shift or some phase shift in your thought process. What kind of thought process in the sense? Even though you have these 10 problems, just try to think. I want to look good. I want to look handsome. I want to be rich. I want to have a financial freedom. I want to make my family rich. I need to own a bike. I want to own not a normal bike. I want to own a expensive, any specific bike, which you really love. I want to own a car in specific. I want to own this much crores of house. I want to own this. I want to own this. Right? You just want to plant a positive thoughts like this so that you will attract that. If you are thinking what you really don't want, you will attract that. Instead, if you are thinking on what you really want, you will achieve that. So that is what the fourth important point. Okay, guys, is this session was really interesting? Okay, so how many of people are really thinking this programming mind is no miss session? Okay, you should not miss the session, right? So while talking about the fifth point, what we are today is the sum total of our thoughts and action which we have taken previously. I'll show you the real example in this live chat. Just imagine or just see our live chat, guys. We guys have begin this wait a minute, guys. We guys have begin this live session with around 700 plus participant. Some people have left this, right? Nearly around 300 plus participant might have left the session. You just think in terms of in their way. They might have exhausted or they might have some other work, or majority of the people might not have some other work. They might have gone for Instagram or they might have gone for YouTube. If that people have done that part, that is gonna be a loss for that people, right? So the people are not having an awareness because they are having in their mindset. What is the mindset is? Sanjay told the session were 90 minutes, and even if it is crossed within 1 minute, they are leaving because they might not having an awareness what they are going to get in this programming mind. But even though they are leaving, if they are doing some other productivity task or some other thing, that is gonna be really beneficial. But if this participants, let us talk about this 347 people. You all aware about something. Okay, so it is going to be around furthermore 15 minutes. Let us see what the Sanjay is telling, right? So this is one of the example. Each and every minute, you should be aware of what you are going to do, or your action and your thoughts. So if you are aware of your thoughts and action, that is gonna be affect your future. For an example, once you have crossed these 11 points, whenever you are doing something opposite to this mindset points, we will be aware about Sanjay told this, and we should be aware about that thought, right? So that is what is all about. The fifth point, you should be always aware about your thoughts and action. And the sixth point, you become what you think all day long. Or you think about problems, definitely you are going to get tons and tons of problem. Are you thinking about the solution? You are going to receive tons and tons of solutions. So you become what you think all day long. This is what the sixth point. And the seventh point, we see good in people, people see good in us. Lot of people used to complain others. He is like that, he is like that, she is like that, she is like that. So he is doing this activity, she is doing this activity. I don't like this, I don't like this, I hate him, I hate him. I don't want to talk to him. Right? Just stop this. Don't try to spread the negative things which is present in another people. As a friend, you can suggest them to be on positive way, or to be on positive attitude, or positivity, but don't try to spread, don't try to see only the negative things which is present in the people. You see good in people, so that people are going to see good in you. That's what the seventh point. And the eighth point, don't do the same thing and expect different results. Whatever you are doing in your life, if you are doing the same thing, you are going to get the same results. So how many people really here wanted to make book reading as a habit, but whenever you are taking your book, you are getting asleep? So if you are a person, you just post yes Sanjay in your live chat, because you are trying to take the same book again and again, which world is suggesting. World is suggesting like you used to take the book like like Think and Grow Rich, 5 a.m. Club, like what is it? Like Attitude is Everything, and a lot of self-help book is there, Ikigai. So you used to take the book which world is suggesting for you, and you are trying to expect you should make book reading as a habit. But if you are taking some book and if you are getting asleep, again and again, if you are taking the same book, you are going to get the same results. So try to choose different kind of book which you really love, the genre which you really love. If you really love horror story, try to read horror based story books, a very small book. So this is one of the example. Same as like whatever you really need, you try to choose different things. So don't do the same thing and expect different results. And the ninth point, focus is the most valuable asset than a time. Whatever you are doing in your life, okay, whatever you are doing in your life, focus is the most valuable asset. For an example, if I'm studying for 5 hours, it's not mean that I'm great. For an example, whenever I'm studying this, time drinker will pop up to show you the notification your friend tagged you. So suddenly you will go into this social media and you will be replying that like funny message, and you are coming into the work. So that's why I'm telling you, when comparing with the time, focus is the most valuable asset. And the 11th very important point, start writing your goals daily and visualize it daily. Whatever you really want in your life, try to write that you have already owned it. So that, for an example, my one of the mentor called Grant Cardone. So you can also check here his Instagram profile. Like he is super rich, like he is having private jet, he is having helicopter. So if you are just looking out him in his Instagram profile, so he has one post behind him, there is his own helicopter. You just imagine his own helicopter. And in the description, do you know what he wrote in the description? He wrote like this: I have been writing that I own a helicopter for more than 30 years. Finally, I owned it. This is what he wrote in his statement in the description. Again, I'm repeating that. I have been writing that I own a helicopter for more than 30 years. Finally, I owned it. This is what the statement he wrote in the description. So that's why I'm telling you, this is going to be helping you to program your subconscious mind to attract whatever the stuff which is really present in your environment. So this is what is all about the 11 points. I hope you really love this 11 points. If the session were super insightful, you just post super insightful Sanjay in your live chat. And the people who still not register for the internship, if you are really looking for our reviews, you can check it out, our Google reviews, guys. What you just do is you just type Pantech space solutions. Okay, there are a lot of Pantech division. Please be aware of it. And here you just see here 12,682 reviews. You just click that and you can able to see while checking out the new. You just see here how the people are describing about it. Okay, so about our like reviews, just see here they have written as like a paragraph. You just see here 1 day ago, you just see here how many people have written the reviews. You just try to read each and every reviews, so that's gonna be super amazing. You just see here, I never thought of having such a series of in-depth knowledge on MATLAB, which clearly proves their highest level of integration, followed by sincerity towards making the students well understood, wishing the family of congratulations to have peace, progress, and prosperity. Thanks. That's amazing reply. So that's what you just try to read each and every reviews, and you can make a decision to choose our 5-in-1 combo internship. Okay. And yes, finally we are in the Q&A session, guys. So this is the time to do an interaction. So this is not only the interaction like to ask only this technical question. You can ask whatever you really want because on the upcoming days after the 5 days or after 4 days, the recorded live is going to be broadcasted. So this is the right opportunity to interact with me on live. So whatever you really want in your life, whatever you really want to know, you just give your questions in the live chats. I'm going to be answering you in personal now, right now. Okay, the session got over, guys. If you people want to leave, you can leave. But you just think about this 5-in-1 combo. This is not going to be available hereafter. Okay, and another very important thing, if you really want to personally follow me, you can follow me through the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. You just click the link and you can follow me through the LinkedIn. Okay, don't forget to follow me, guys. The LinkedIn link, which is given in the description. Okay, so Nayan, I want the 11-point snapshot. Okay, that's amazing. Let us give a great applause for Nayan. That's amazing. That's amazing. You are asking for the snapshot of that 11 points. That's amazing, guys. I can't able to, I haven't seen a person who is asking the snapshot of 11 points. You are super amazing, Nayan. That's amazing. I feel really happy to get this kind of message from you. Yeah, I just shown to you. Just take a snap of it. Okay. Please, can you provide me a copy of the slide for my personal notes? Actually, only today's attachment might be given, but the rest of the attachment is not going to be given. But other than that, it's not mean that I'm going to be guiding the source code and those stuff. I'm going to be showing everything transparent. But what is the difference between the YouTube webinar and internship is, in the YouTube, I'm going to be showing the code. You're going to see and you're going to type it. For the internship, I've given us like a zip file, attachment file. You can download it and you can check it out. Okay. So Booyah Cartoon, would you please give us some extra time so that we can ask permission from our parents, as we are students who depend on our parents for the payment link. Okay, Booyah Cartoon. Okay, so for Booyah, it's really a valid reason because a lot of people are dependent on the parents to ask the money from the parents. So that's why what I'm going to do is I'm going to extend this offer until tonight. Okay, so until tonight. Okay, so I'm going to extend this offer until tonight. The people who really want to register to after only getting the permission from your parents or money from your parents. So I'm just extending those offer till tonight. The people who want to enroll, so you can enroll. So I hope you really like it. Thank you so much, Booyah, for asking a great request. Thank you so much. I like your sentence. Past is not the future. Yes, thank you so much, Tech Baba, for posting that. I have registered for the internship and now I want to ask the process for getting all the 5 internship certificate. Guys, initially don't focus on the certificates. Okay, you are registering this course to get the value to do tons of project. Visit learn.pantech.solutions.net. Please give 12 hours of time once the enrollment is, once you have done a payment. So you will be courses, your courses will be enrolled. You just please visit learn.pantech.solutions.net. And the order to go through your courses, first of all, complete AI course. So your certificate will be automatically generated by the portal itself. You just want to complete one by one, next, complete and continue, complete and continue. If you are completing it, one by one certificate is going to be generated. This is artificial intelligence internship. And second course which you need to go through is machine learning course, and third course which is data analytics course, and fourth course which is Python course, and fifth course which is gonna be a deep learning course. This is the order to go through that 5 courses. Okay, I like your interaction with the learners. Thank you so much, Abhirami, for posting that. Vijay Raghavan, please give a great applause for Vijay Raghavan, guys. Okay, so that's amazing because he just made a decision. He just made a decision that now I'm going to write my goals. Vijay Raghavan, you are amazing. All the very best. I really wish you in personal to get, or you are going to achieve great in your life. Whatever you are writing in your goals diary, you're going to achieve that. I wish you all the very best. Okay, try to write always, all the day. Whenever you are getting free time, try to write again and again. But try to write that again, another for main thing. Thank you so much for that person to remember that. Try to always write that. Don't write like, I want to buy a BMW bike. Don't try to like this. Okay, write like, okay, I own a BMW bike. Okay, try to write that you have already achieved that. Okay, don't try to like, I want to become. Try to write, I own a BMW bike. Even if you have any deadlines, you can also put some deadlines even within this 2023 December. So you can write like that even. I have purchased the combo. So tell the order. Yes, the order is first AI, second which is machine learning, third which is data analytics, fourth which is Python, and fifth which is deep learning. That is what the order, guys. Gokul Prasad, your communication skills made me perfect understanding about this session. Thank you, bro. Sanjay, bro. Thank you so much, Gokul, brother. That's amazing. Please keep on interacting with me. Definitely, we're gonna be having a lot of tons and tons of value. And another very important thing, on the upcoming days, it is gonna be completely a hands-on. Okay, nearly around 80% we are gonna have a hands-on. Remaining 20% is only gonna be theory. So don't miss out the upcoming days. So I hope you're going to enjoy that. So how many of you people are really 100% committed to this completing this 30 day challenge? If you are committed to this 30 days challenge, you just post 100% committed Sanjay in your live chat. Okay. The Tech Bapa posted, I really enjoyed attending your live. Thank you so much. And overview of a machine learning is going to be given on the upcoming days, guys. Don't worry. Would I be able to watch this YouTube video again? No, because YouTube video is going to be deleted within 2 days. Vikas Pandey, congratulations. And Ashwin, all the very best. And Naveen, congratulations. That's amazing, guys. A lot of people are posting committed. Vikas Pandey, yeah, I'll be focusing on learning, but knowing the process of getting all the 5 internship certificate is also important now. Yes. So definitely all the very best to complete the course and getting the certificates. Don't worry, guys. Sir, do you cover entire syllabus in 5-in-1 combo? Yes. You can check it out our agenda from the payment portal itself. 101% committed, Sanjay. Thanks a lot. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, Ratnesh. Thank you. Gokul, Sanjay bro, my friends are asking to join for this 30 days internship. What is the process to join? Okay, Gokul Prasad. Okay, so the people who really want to bring your friends or bring your family members to this 30 day challenge, in the description we have one link. If you haven't registered for this AI event till now, register now. There will be one link. You just use the link to ask the people to register for it. Okay? Yeah. Edgar Prabhu, after 9 years of experience in Android app development, I think this course will make an added advantage eager to learn. All the very best. Thank you so much for being part of this community. Thank you so much. That's amazing. Waiting for hands-on session. Thank you. That's amazing. Srijit, definitely we are going to be rocking it. Okay, we are going to be building more than 25 plus projects under lot wide varieties of AI category. Vikas Pandey, I like very much the way you are teaching. It's wonderful. Thank you so much. That's amazing. It's really a great honor. Thank you. Arun, if you thought in 30 days how long to take us to work on it and master it, it's going to be easy process, because if you are talking about this machine learning course, even though I'm telling like that is a 30 days course, you can complete within 1 week even, because every project which you're working, it is going to have a lot of similarities based on the data difficulty, based on the problem, or based on the algorithm, different algorithm which you're going to use on that 28 project. That is what only going to be a time consumption. Other than that, the other syntax is going to be very easy to complete the project. So it is up to our mindset. Jyotika posted something inspired by your words, Sanjay. That's amazing. Thank you so much. And keep on connecting with me. And my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description, you just click the link and connect with me through the LinkedIn. And Nikesh Toret, thank you for sharing such awesome concept in a simple and energetic way. at this price point. Thanks again for your efforts. Thank you so much, Nikesh Thoret. And I own all these internship certificate. I'll achieve everything. That's amazing. But it's not about the certificate. It's about the value which you are getting. It's about the mindset which we have. That's amazing. All the very best. And Presenta, 100% committed. That's amazing. Anthony Gomes, I wish there will be offer in the future as well. I have failed to top up enough USD to pay all the 5 courses. Not possible until next bank day. Okay, for international, I'll check it out. Any availability, any extension. So definitely I'll try it out for that. And Durgesh Narute, thanks for the great session. Thank you so much. That's amazing. Thank you. And Presenta, thank you. Guys, do you guys have any suggestion? If you guys have any suggestion, you just post your responses in the live chat. And Rohit Kande, I like your way of teaching technique and explaining difficult concept in an easy way. Thank you so much. Keep on connecting with me so that we are going to be building a lot of project. All for 1,000 rupee. Yes, 5 courses at the price of 1,000. Yes, exactly. You heard it right. Ashwin, thank you, Sanjay. Thank you, Ashwin. Thank you, Garv Agarwal. Thank you, Sanjay, for this awesome course. Also, I'm very sorry as I'm also pursuing my internship in ML and AI, but me knowledge is everything. So I'll be watching your videos again. Thank you so much, Garv Agarwal. Melly Remy, I'll be missing the first one of our session. Don't worry, this video is going to be deleted tomorrow only. So you have this night. Okay, you can watch this video again from the beginning. I'm watching this from Bangladesh. How can I get all the courses? I think international link which has been already shared. You can use the link to do the payment. And I want to learn data science from your channel. That's amazing. That's great. That's great. Had a great value for my time. That's amazing. Have fees. And Raju Atari, 100% committed. Thank you so much, guys. And don't forget to follow me to the LinkedIn. I think I really want to end the session because some people might throw some stones through this monitor. I think so, right? But first of all, thank you so much, guys. Even though I got a little bit like what is it? I really expected each and every people want to be on the live, but even though they might have some other work or whatever some reason, some people have left. But I felt really happy and satisfied and 100% I'm just going to be ending this first day of the event because I felt really like this first day of the event is really a huge success because I can able to see the people who are all interacting with me on the live still now. I felt really happy. Thank you so much for your time first of all because this is the 5:30. It's begun at 5:30, right? 5:30 and to 6:30, 7:30. It's around 2 hour session. It's not very easy to attend 2 hours of the session whenever you are studying because if you are asking to me personally in my college days, you might have attended. No, I'm not sure, but you all people are here for 2 hours. You guys have given your time for me. Thank you so much for being here until this time. So, and the people who wanted to join in our Telegram channel, you can join our Telegram channel. Telegram channel link is given in the description or in the live chat as well. And if you guys have any project or product related queries, you can visit planetsolutions.net. And if you guys haven't followed me through the LinkedIn, please follow me through the LinkedIn. And this 5-in-1 course combo, I just extended this offer until the time of around this day. Because if you are typing, like if you are going for our official website, pantech.net, okay, you just see here, there is a courses, right? So each and every courses, you just see how much the price which has been quoted, which is around 1,500. Okay, a lot of people are even enrolling. But only because this is the first day of the live session. So that's why we are offering this course, the total 5 courses at the price of 999. It is really a huge value. The people who want to register soon as possible before tonight of around 11:45. I think the link will be deactivated. So thank you so much once again. Thank you so much for your love. Thank you so much for your support, which I have gone through given the throughout the live session. Nikkei, suggestions. Please keep your teaching pace bit slow, especially while hands-on. Definitely, Nikesh. I'm really sorry for that. Today, since a lot of people have rushed up, so that's why I just gone a little bit faster. But definitely, I'm really sorry. Definitely, I'll go slow on the upcoming days. Alfred, Sanjay, I've attended Python and MATLAB masterclass. I can't able to get the certificate by entering my email ID in your website. If it is so, there might be 2 different reasons. If it is a YouTube event, you can't able to get the certificate. That's because you might not got enough attendance to satisfy that requirement, because that is not a man like people who is doing that, because it is autonomous. So it is not having any probability of making mistakes. But if you are not getting a certificate for the internship, or if you are internship certificate, or if you are not getting enrolled into the internship. The reason might be because you might have used different email ID which you have done the payment. That's gonna be only reason. Okay. So if you have any issues on that, you can also post your queries on the website. Contact us. So you just visit pantech.solutions.net. Okay, what you just do is you just type Pantech Solutions and go to the contact. Okay, wait a minute. Below there is a contact option. Okay, so here you just click that ask your questions and ask your questions. Okay, this form is dedicated for within 24 hours reply. So you can ask your questions in this chat. Okay, based on the category, choose the appropriate category, guys. Don't do post in the different categories. Yeah, so that's all up to the session, guys. I hope you enjoyed. So from tomorrow, try to bring your laptops, because from tomorrow completely it is going to be from the scratch. We are going to be starting installing a Python and those stuff. So don't miss out the upcoming days. This is going to be really a great thing from tomorrow. So a lot of project we are going to develop. So thank you so much. And Sanjay, could you please introduce yourself? I might have missed this. I joined late. Karun Raju, what you just do is you just try to watch the video from the beginning, because this video is going to be deleted tomorrow. Okay, so you can watch this video from the beginning. Okay. Can I pay in the dollar on the courses registration? Definitely, you can pay in the dollar. Okay, guys, thank you so much. I really feel really happy that you people have really enjoyed. Guys, do you guys have enjoyed the session? Does this combo help to computer science? Yes, of course. It is because AI is nowadays, it's playing every role. It's playing in mechanical department on the field of robotics. It is playing the role in electronics to do the signal analysis, or to do the communication, or like that kind of field, or to have a like electronics with artificial intelligence. And also it is going to be helpful for computer science only on this AI category, only the software development. AI powered out the software creation. So yes, it is going to be work on each and every department. I want to learn, but I don't have a laptop. Can I use Hydroid Termux? I really need a reply. Actually, yes, you can use your mobile phone's program runner. But what's the problem here is we are going to be working with a lot of projects, like lot of data set, lot of high-end data sets. But on the time, it is going to be difficult to use your mobile phones for that process. Okay, that's going to be difficult. That's the only problem. Okay, for Python Bootcamp webinar, where can I get my certificate? For Bootcamp, there is not going to be a certificate, guys. Sorry. Shayna, yes, we enjoyed. That's amazing. That's amazing. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much for your love. I really love you guys. Thank you so much for keep on interacting with me. So thank you so much. And don't forget to follow me to the LinkedIn, my LinkedIn link, which is given in the description below. So thank you so much. And I really love you guys. Thank you. And it's me, Sanjay, signing off. Until then, bye. We'll see you on the tomorrow session.